This is the first time I've been to the beach since I've been down south, and it is absolutely beautiful. That's our ride. Grilled cheese. They put it in the microwave. Look at this. Look at that, man. Oh, it's cheesy in there. This reminds me of the military rations they used to give us in the Navy. Oh, wow. It's hard to break the bread. On Route 17 with my cousin Rhonda, headed to Charleston. She's going to drop me off there. All right, y'all. Rhonda just saw the watermelon man on the side of the road, so she's about to go buy her some watermelon. $12 each, y'all. He got the cantaloupes right there. Look at them. Those babies look delicious. Did you grow your own watermelons?
No, sir.
Okay.
These watermelons, they grow in Georgia and Florida.
Oh, in Georgia and Florida.
South Carolina, about 2 weeks away before they come in.
Okay. That ain't too bad. How the cantaloupes, they sweet too? Yeah?
I'm selling them for a month now. I don't have no problem.
Nice. Nice. My cuz getting 2 of them, y'all. But the dry stem are better, right?
Like that?
That's dry. That's a little dry. Look green there, but the drier the stem, the riper the watermelon. All right, y'all. Let me help my cousin pick these watermelons. We out here in what part of South Carolina is this? We in McLennanville, y'all. About to get these watermelons. Then back in the car on the way to Charleston. See you when we get there. Peace. Y'all thought this was a game? One tip I have for everyone who rents a car is to videotape the rental car. Videotape 100% all the way around on top of the roof. You want to have a record of how this car was when you rented it. Front fender. We do's this. The top looks good, y'all. What's going on, family? This your man, Matt DV. We are now in Charleston, South Carolina, and I just said goodbye to my cousin, man. I hate saying goodbye, period, man. It's always beautiful to say hello. Hey, how everybody been doing? But goodbyes are always sad for me. Even sometimes I like ditch out, like if I'm invited over your spot, but sometimes I sneak off without saying goodbye. I'm here, man. I'm renting from Ace Rental Car. Never rented from them before. I'm an enterprise person, but it was a good deal. Seemed like we got this car for 3 days. It's a Kia, don't know what year. That's Ace Rental Car. Here it's a little small building, and they got a shuttle to the airport if you were going the airport route. And they also have drop off. If you pull the car back in the off hours, you just pull the car around back, put the key in there. But I don't trust that drop off stuff, man. They gotta be here when I drop this car off. So yeah, man, come on, let's go for a ride. Pulling into Folly Beach, Charleston, South Carolina. This is the first time I've been to the beach since I've been down south, and it is absolutely beautiful. What a great day for a deep sea swim. I didn't go too deep. I think I went like 20 feet, came right back. Because you know how you go out in the water, right, and you just hear that noise, it'd be like doom, doom. Zoom, doom, 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 doom. I ain't scared of sharks, but I always think about sharks when I'm out here. All right, y'all, I got my swim on. Now I'm about to head to a shower somewhere. I think it's one over by the pier, man. I'm gonna walk over there, get my shower in. Ooh, the sand is hot. All right, leaving the rental car spot, headed to Amtrak, and the Uber just pulled up, y'all. Here we go. Here in Charleston, man, at the Amtrak station, Charleston, South Carolina. We back here in the cut, y'all. It smells so good down south. That ain't our train. That's our ride. All right, y'all, came on the train, right? Got us seated. I think this is like the, let me move my bag out your way. Sorry about that. This is the Jersey train, y'all, right here, I believe. Got my luggage up top. I was worried about that, but it fits fine. We got the, here at the train store. About to get me some coffee, y'all. Coffee, they got snacks over there. Right there. We're leaving Peachtree, South Carolina. Just picked some people up, man. So it's time to have some cafe.
Check everything, and they say I didn't need paperwork. So now all of a sudden,
that guy's voice you heard just now got kicked off of the train because he had an animal, a pet with him.
I'm not gonna pull you. I'm gonna let you pull on me.
We just pulled into Richmond, Virginia. So I'm gonna step off the train because they announced that people can go out for a smoke break. Even though I don't smoke, man, I'm going out for a walk break. Some people staying on the train, and I'm gonna go off the train. People out there. Let's go off, get our legs stretched on. My knees cold. Yo, here we go, yo. The train, we're in Richmond. We're in Richmond, VA. Ain't much to see, y'all. That's it. I want to drive that car. Wonder can I run to the store and get some milk? What you think? As soon as they load these people up, I ain't running and get no milk, man. It's a trick. Look at these little buggies. Y'all, up on the menu is the grilled cheese. We're gonna get that. Miss Juanita's gonna ring us up. Then we're gonna go outside and sit down and eat our grilled cheese. All right, y'all, this is what I got. I got the grilled cheese joint right there. Look at that, grilled cheese. They put it in the microwave. You see that? Grilled cheese. It looks blown up like it does when you buy, what is it called? Popcorn. Look at that. All of this came to $9 with the water. The grilled cheese was like $6. I think the water was like $3. Look at this. Look at that, man. That's that grilled cheese. Let's break it open and see what they working with. Let's see what they're working with, y'all. Oh, it's cheesy in there. Look at that. That joke got hot. It's like gummy. The edges are really gummy. Pull those off. Oh wow, it's hard to break the bread. This could be good if they buttered it down. And the bread just feels gummy, man. It's almost hard to pull. Look. I expected more. I got butter, y'all. I got my butter. She said, was it good? I was like, nope. I love butter. Somebody's gonna be like, butter's no good for you. This reminds me of the military rations they used to give us in the Navy. Actually, they didn't give us military rations. We used to actually take the Marine MREs. They call them MREs. We would go down in the storage locker and take the Marines military rations. I mean, we stored them on our ship, but they were really for the Marines. I'm telling on ourselves. Alexandria, Virginia.
Smoking cigarettes. I gotta get rid of that.
809, just pulling in the Union Station, Washington, D.C. Yo, we in Washington, D.C. This is gonna be like a 15-minute stop here, man. Here's where they change the locomotive from diesel to electric. Also, Amtrak owns the train tracks north of here, and Conrail owns it south. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna swap out our engine, man. See, look, they got these connectors, man, electrical connectors right there, and the guy's in there working, man. He's taking it loose. There it is, y'all. It's breaking away. That is the diesel pulling out. And here's the electric pulling in.
City stop's going to be Philadelphia, 30th Street Station. Then Philadelphia is your station stop.
That's it, y'all. It's about 12 midnight, and we're pulling into Newark, New Jersey. Penn Station, Newark. I really enjoyed taking the Amtrak from Charleston to Newark, and this has really inspired me and encouraged me to do a cross country from New York City to California. Stay tuned.
I trust, don't touch. Chops, hit the inconvenience your dance floor. Party all over the world, that's what it stands for. We are the PR, here the DR, king of the throne. I should have been called Caesar.